We're back here at the Istana, and hey, my former colleague, you're on YouTube. Yeah. So I got here really early today, 8:30, thinking that the lines would be, stroll in the park. But guess what? Massive. I think it's because of a tie-in today with the Singapore Science Centre. There's another event that's happening, and there was heavy marketing on Facebook. That's probably what's drawing this crowd this early Labor Day morning. Yes, it's May Day. Catch you in there. So this time around it took me about 45 minutes to get to this point. This is the entrance, the main entrance. I might just sketch the guards today. No standing within the grounds of the Istana on regular days. So this is my only opportunity to catch those guards. Let's see if it's gonna happen. See you on the inside.
Morning. Hi, morning. Okay, just a moment, please. Okay, so this way. Thank you. You are here.
Hi, this is for?
Painting.
Yeah, but as in there's no sharp objects allowed inside, so...
I've been bringing this in for the last two editions of the Istana open house.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not sharp. Yeah, and it's to paint.
Painting for what? As in painting of...
The buildings and the trees and all that. I'm an artist.
Yeah, but I don't think this is the shop object.
How come I was allowed the last two editions?
Oh, okay. I am not sure how come last two editions were allowed,
Okay.
but currently as in there's no ring of like shop object.
I understand, but okay. I need this. Can I leave this with you? Can I pick it up after my session at the Istana? Because it's expensive.
Okay, but because there is no deposit area over here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means I can't go in today.
You can throw away then you go in or...
可以开口看一下吗？
Yeah.
My colleague, when they help you check, you can deposit this for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Just hang on
I was actually going to head out.
Just hang on first.
Thank you.
Which other open house do you come?
So today's security check took about 20 minutes longer than the usual 5 minutes. I brought it in twice already, but this time round it's picked up this thing, and I can't paint without this because I need to scoop my paints out from the little containers. I may have to exit this place. Alvin Mark figuring out this art life as I move on and push the boundaries. So I'm done. The other guy over on the other side, the guy not holding the gun, he was actually holding the gun 1 hour ago. So this was him. Here the entrance in case it rains. This is the opening shot. I think it would be quite pretty. I think the sun's peeking out also for a while, even though it's forecasted that it might rain. Let's do this.
Do you teach painting? Do you teach painting?
I teach at a school.
Which school?
La Salle.
Oh, La Salle.
Yeah.
That's for bigger children.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
what teacher? School.
I met so many people, and now we have.
Hi, Francis here.
Let's see what he sketched. What time were you here, Francis?
I was here 8 o'clock. Fortunately, I took the expressway because senior citizen. So I was like something like I was the 6th person on the queue.
I wish I was a senior citizen
Oh,
because
your day will help.
I waited 45 minutes to get to the entrance and then another 15-20 minutes to go through security. Okay, let's not talk about that. But since he's here, he's going to show us what he did. Yay!
This was done little street Marseille. This one is apparently it's the Prime Minister office where he has a top level of meeting.
Okay.
Cabinet, they will have
Okay.
it here.
Maybe this is.
And also the last time Mr. Lee casket was laid here for the minister.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is just across the field. I saw this group of people. They were painting faces for the kids and all these things.
Yes.
I think it's quite interesting. So I started to sketch, and I sketched and noticed there's a lot of people blocking your view, and people move in and out. So you have to sketch very fast. So this one, I was sketching this group of boys. They was waiting. They have a performance earlier on, and they're taking their break. So I start to sketch them where they're having their break.
Nice.
So after having the break, then somebody come, security come and tell me, say, oh sir, you have to clear a little bit here because the VIP is going to pass through here. So when we walk quite close, I said, Madam President, can I have a selfie with you? I said, yes, why not? So I took a selfie with the President. I showed her this picture.
So he's gonna flash a video right now. Ta-da! And that's our president.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And this one was a big tree just as I was about to come out. Then I saw this tree,
Yeah.
very nice. And this couple was sitting there. I said, well, make a very nice composition. And ta-da!
Wow.
This one, I met Tony.
Yes.
Tony was over the side.
Oh,
He was
okay.
taking the front shot.
So Tony is here too.
Yeah, Tony's
Yay.
here. Tony's here.
Okay.
He was here. He sketched the front view.
Good
See
job.
you. Bye. Enjoy.
So, Alvin, Mark, time to go. Hunger calls. Thank you for joining me in this edition at the Istana on Labor Day. We'll try to come back again on Hari Raya. Let's see if I'm in Singapore. If you like my stuff, you know what to do. Until the next one, ciao ciao.